Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zwift running. First, gather your essential gear: a treadmill, a compatible foot pod or smart shoes, and a device running the Zwift app. Once you have everything, ensure your foot pod is properly calibrated for the most accurate data. This calibration helps Zwift translate your real-world efforts into the virtual world seamlessly. Then, open the Zwift app and pair your devices. You'll be ready to hit the virtual roads in just a few moments. Now that your equipment is ready, it's time to choose your adventure. Zwift offers several immersive virtual worlds, such as the vibrant Watopia or the scenic Mercury Islands. You can opt for a structured workout designed to improve your fitness, enjoy a free run at your own pace, or even join a group event for a social experience. Don't forget to personalize your avatar and running gear before confirming your selection. This ensures your virtual self is ready for the journey ahead. As you begin your run, your foot pod or smart shoes will transmit crucial data like speed and cadence directly to the Zwift app. Watch your avatar move through the virtual landscape, reflecting your real-time effort. The app provides continuous feedback on your distance, pace, and other key metrics. You can also interact with other runners, give ride-ons, and even collect power-ups to enhance your experience. Stay engaged and enjoy the dynamic environment as you push towards your goals. After completing your run, Zwift automatically saves all your performance data. You can access detailed summaries within the app, reviewing metrics such as total distance covered, elevation gained, and your average pace. This valuable information helps you track your fitness progress over time and identify areas for improvement. Celebrate your achievements by sharing your run data with friends or on your favorite social media platforms. Keep running and watch your virtual and real-world fitness grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.